How to use storytelling as a persuasive tool. A group coaching program from ICTN. Almost everything you know, remember, and believe came from a story that someone told you at some stage in your life. Just imagine what that really means. It means that you have a golden passkey into the minds of your audience. With storytelling, you engage the audience intellectually and emotionally. That's important because it's the emotions that drive decisions. Stories create a human connection through identification and make your message stick because stories are 22 times more memorable than facts. Stories also create loyalty when your listeners support the hero of your story, whether the hero is an underdog or a fighter for justice. Stories humanize business because people love it when there is a purpose beyond just money. In addition, storytelling delivers a competitive advantage when people buy the dream they want to believe will come true. That taps into their values. And finally, compelling marketing campaigns materialize when your stories are remembered and repeated by many. This ICTN workshop will equip you with easy-to-apply, persuasive strategies and techniques that create emotionally resonant experiences for your audience, guaranteeing that you are seen and heard. In brief, you will learn how to become an engaging and unforgettable communicator. Speak to us at ICTN to find out more.